Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian Haven experts. And today I have the great pleasure of sharing with you the Haven Premier Owner Suite with large balcony. This is a brand new addition to the Norwegian Encore. It's been greatly expanded and I can't wait to share it with you. But before we get started, keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Regent, Oceania, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, this is the top suite of the ship. You're gonna find that it has incredible amenities included. Priority embark and disembark privileges throughout your entire cruise. You're also gonna have access to the Haven restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. It's a delicious, highly upgraded experience. And then of course, you'll have access to the entire Haven space. The courtyard pool, the Horizon Lounge, though for me, I love the Haven Bar and Lounge. It's a great social space, and of course, you're gonna have that beverage package included, and you can take it right there to the bar and enjoy delicious drinks. But to me, the butler service is what really sets it apart. You have 24-hour butler service. They can take care of all your needs, little or big, right here in your suite. They're gonna be with you every step of the way to elevate the experience. Now, there's so much more to share. I'll do that as we tour the suite. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a longer hallway here. And one of my favorite features is that immediately to the left, you're gonna have a bathroom. Now, this suite is actually 3.5 bathrooms. So this is just a half bath. It's perfect if you have friends or family visiting throughout the cruise, or just having that redundancy really goes a long way. Now, I'm gonna take you into the third bedroom first. Now, as we step inside, you'll find that it's a good size. Now, this is actually a Murphy bed that will pull down, and I love the diversity of the space. You've got a sofa here so you can sit, watch television, play video games, and of course, they'll put that down for you at bedtime. On either side here, you've got storage above and down below. You've got more storage underneath the TV. And then over here, you're gonna have your vanity. You have US and European plugs. They will provide a hairdryer for you. You've got a small stool seat to get ready, and then storage down below as well. Now you'll find a full wall of storage here. So you've got those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. It goes all the way across. And then just inside here, you're gonna find that you have your safe, perfect size for passport wallet or a small tablet. You've got more drawers for storage down below and a bit more storage to the side. As I step inside the bathroom, it's also a really nice size. You've got a wraparound marble vanity, storage up above, those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities, and then I'll step into the shower. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I've got plenty of space in here. Rainfall shower head up above. You've got your shower wand here, and then that full Swiss shower experience. Now, for those of you who may have stayed at this suite before or seen it, this is a brand new space. Now, this used to be part of the upper library of the Haven Lounge. They've turned this into a full dining room table. You get a chair in the corner as well. But what I love about this is you can have every single one of your meals right here from the Haven restaurant. Of course, you have expanded room service menu as well. Your butler's gonna take care of all of those details. It's also a great gathering space for friends or families, or if you're hosting a corporate incentive group on board, this is that perfect boardroom. Now, over on the other side, you're gonna have USB, USB-C chargers, US and European plugs, and a bit of storage underneath. Now, this is also a brand new bedroom addition, one that I really, really appreciate. You'll see you've got your large bed here. It's that Haven bed, highly upgraded linens, pillows, and mattress for a wonderful night's sleep. You have nightstands on either side. You're also gonna find that you have US plugs, USB and USB-C chargers on either side as well. Directly across, you have a large flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television or movies on demand. Here, you're gonna have your vanity you can use to get ready. You've got a large backlit mirror, storage on either side. You've got a hairdryer down below as well, US plug and European plug. Now you've got quite a bit of storage over to the side here. So as I open that up, you're gonna have hanging storage that goes all the way across, more of those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. And then tucked on the far side here, you have even more hanging storage where you can tuck your things away. There's also a small safe in there. Now, as we step through to the other side, you're also gonna have a full bathroom in here. So as I step in, you've got the water closet tucked just behind, a little bit of storage and plenty of vanity space for storage. And then you're also gonna have a full shower in here with the adjustable shower wand and more of those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now, as we step back into the living room, this is a wonderful gathering space. You've got a large sofa there that wraps around. It does fold out for additional bedding. This suite can now accommodate up to 8 guests. You've got 2 reading chairs on either side, of course, beautiful updated decor. And then tucked in the corner, you're gonna have a full butler's pantry. I love that you have an espresso maker. I start my day at home with an Italian espresso every single day. You can do that here on board, or of course, you can have a standing order with your butler and they can deliver it with breakfast. You've got more storage on either side, along with all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware to dine in suite, and then directly across from the sofa, another large flat panel TV. It's also fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. You've got the large sound bar down below. It's also the perfect place to watch a movie or the big game. Now, as we step through into the main bedroom, I'll point out one of my favorite features. It's the door. I love that separation of space. I love my friends and family as well, but it really goes a long way. You've got your full king-size bed here, facing out to take advantage of those incredible side-facing views. You can also see the front of the ship as well. And then on either side, you have nightstands. You've got all your light controls, USB and USB-C chargers. And then tucked in the corner, you're gonna find another flat panel TV. That's 4 large flat panel TVs. Once again, that redundancy goes so far, especially when traveling with a large family. Now, as we step through, we'll head into your large walk-in closet. You're gonna have hanging storage that goes all the way across on both sides, your large golf umbrella you can utilize throughout your cruise, your Haven robe and slippers. You've got another safe in here as well. Now you have a little bit more storage here along with this space where you can use to unpack your bag, and then you got a little bit of storage up above as well. So just outside the main bedroom, you're gonna have another what I call bonus balcony. I love this space, it's protected from the weather. You can sit here, have a coffee in the morning, get those incredible ocean views and that fresh ocean air. Now, as we step into the bathroom proper, you've got a large double vanity here. Of course, more of those highly upgraded bath amenities, storage on either side and storage down below. You've got a really nice vanity here to get ready with a US plug, European plug. They also have a hairdryer down below for you, drawers for storage, a large backlit mirror, and a magnifying mirror in addition. Now, you'll also find that you have a really nice soaking tub. You can imagine having a wonderful bubble bath before you head out and enjoy an amazing night on the ship. You've got your water closet tucked just behind, and then you're also gonna have a nice large shower, rainfall shower head up above, the full Swiss shower experience, and you've got a bench seat as well as views out the side of the ship. Now, just forward of the living room, you're gonna have a large balcony. You've got 2 comfy loungers and a cocktail table. You've got a full dining table here, 2 more chairs and a table as well. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. This suite is incredible, especially in the most scenic parts of our world. You can imagine sailing in and out of Glacier Bay in Alaska, through the Panama Canal, or really any destination. You get those same views as the captain, and they're truly exceptional. Now, another great feature is right around the corner, you're also gonna have an extension of the balcony. You can see that there's a door there, so if it's a little bit windy, you can utilize that space without taking in the weather. Now, keep in mind that this suite goes first. If you want to get on our deployment list, we can make sure and grab it for you the moment the space is available. But when you're ready to book your next cruise with Regent, Oceania, or of course Norwegian Cruise Lines, reach out to the experts at Har Travel or book it right on hartravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.